Rippling or Justworks, two HR platforms every business knows, but only one is truly built for your team in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, Rippling, the all-in-one workforce platform for HR, IT, and finance. And on the right, Justworks, the straightforward, powerful PEO for small and mid-sized teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Picture this. We're mapping out everything you should care about when choosing between Rippling and Justworks. We're talking price and flexibility, feature breadth, integrations, international hiring, user experience, support, and data security. Yep, it's a lot, but trust me, stick with me and you'll have zero regrets. First up, price transparency and flexibility. With Rippling, you get these sweet bundles for HR, IT, even finance. A real flexible approach. Especially if you're a growing company, it scales pretty nicely. But here's the catch. Their actual pricing isn't upfront online. You'll need a call, maybe a demo, just to get the numbers. And honestly, as you add on those modules, it can get pricey. Now with Justworks, it's way more straightforward. Their pricing is right there on the website. It's an all-inclusive fee covering payroll and PEO services, no digging required. But fair warning, you get fewer ways to customize. And larger companies, you'll see those costs add up. So who wins here? Justworks takes this one for keeping pricing simple and transparent. All right, feature breadth and customization. Rippling is honestly kind of wild. You get modules for HR, IT, and finance all packed into one platform. Device management, app provisioning, automation, analytics, you name it. The downside? Setup can be a bit of a project. Not gonna lie, this isn't click and go, especially for smaller teams. Now, Justworks, on the other hand, offers solid HR and benefits admin with a PEO model. So it's super attractive for small businesses that just want things to work. It's streamlined, but you don't get those deeper technical integrations or IT controls. So for maximum customization and power, Rippling absolutely takes the win here. Let's talk integrations. If you geek out over connecting your HR tools, Rippling will make you happy. Over 600 integrations: Slack, Salesforce, Asana, all the big ones. It just works with everything. Justworks, it's a lot more limited. You do get solid links to payroll and accounting tools like Quickbooks and Xero, but officially only 8 integrations. So if you're dreaming of connecting all your favorite apps, you're going to want Rippling for this category. Oh, and here's something cool that you might not know. Rippling actually automates onboarding for both HR and IT. That means, yeah, you can set up that new laptop and accounts for someone on their first day, all in one workflow. Super nerdy, but kind of amazing. Switching gears to international hiring and employer of record services. Rippling lets you hire employees in 29 countries and contractors in 185 plus. That's pretty impressive. And they've got some robust compliance support baked in. But here's the twist. Justworks actually covers employees in over 100 countries. So if you're a small or mid-sized business dreaming of a global team, Justworks is honestly super tempting. The flip side is contractor support. Justworks covers 40 plus countries for contractors, which isn't quite as broad as Rippling. So yeah, it's kind of a toss-up here. Depends on exactly who you need to hire. We're calling this one a tie. On to user experience and onboarding. Honestly, this is where a lot of people either fall in love or rage quit. Rippling has a modern UI, and its dashboard is super comprehensive, but it's famously a little complicated to get started. Some folks say the learning curve is legit steep, especially if you want to use all those advanced features. But for Justworks, tons of praise for how easy it is. Setup's a breeze, and small teams seem to get rolling almost immediately. The advanced stuff is a bit hidden, sure, but most people don't even notice. Justworks totally nails this category. Now, support and resources. Both platforms really bring their A game with 24/7 live chat and phone support. Rippling adds a ton. Knowledge base, training university, webinars. Justworks, you've got guides, ebooks, videos, and those same live support channels. Nothing to complain about on either side. Legit. Let's call this one a tie. Last major category, data security and compliance. Rippling packs in SOC 2, CSA Star Level 2, ISO 27001, and GDPR. Plus, you get granular IT controls, which is kind of a big deal if you're managing devices and sensitive info. JustWorks does great in the US, SOC 1 and 2 controls, strong local compliance. But internationally, yeah, it's not quite as stacked as Rippling on certifications. So, for sheer security and compliance firepower, Rippling takes this round. Here's a quick visual. Imagine that classic radar chart. Rippling's got a giant reach in features, integrations, and security, while JustWorks knocks it out for price transparency and easy onboarding. The areas where they're tied, support and international coverage, they're pretty close, honestly. All right, bottom line, if you're growing fast and you crave deep integrations, automation, plus those IT and finance tools, Rippling is probably your pick. But if you want a super easy setup process, clear pricing, and PEO perks with zero hassle, you'll fall in love with JustWorks. Rippling's the winner for raw power and scale, but JustWorks is king for small business simplicity. Still not sure which one fits your business? Toss your details in the comments or reach out. We'll help you break it down based on your team's vibe. And hey, subscribe to catch more HR tech face-offs. See you in the next one.